Hi students, hello, how are you? I hope you are all fine, right? Yes, last class I had done the poem. So today I have come with the new lesson, Bill and the Boombox Rocket. Okay, Bill and the Boombox Rocket. So it is all about the flight to the space. Okay, it is all about flight to the space. So you people know that the astronauts, you know who are astronauts? So astronauts are the person who travel into the space. For them we call as astronauts, and they travel in the rockets, right? You people know very well about that. So you have so many times you have heard in the news, and you have read in the newspaper also, and also saw in the news also that how they go to space, they go to moon, they have gone to Mars, right, in the spaceship, that is in the rocket. So let us know. So here there are two boys, and one boy is there called Bill. Okay, so Bill is there, and how he goes to the space, and what happens there, and how he returns back. So it is all about that. Okay, the story is all about that. So let us go and start the. I will start the lesson. That is the lesson Bill and the Boombox Rocket. Okay, Bill and the boombox rocket. So boombox, it is a kind of radio, big radio. Okay, it is a portable. Wherever you want, you can carry it. So that is boombox. Okay, let us move forward and listen to the lesson carefully. I am going to explain it. Okay, listen it carefully and listen to the meanings, word meanings. Okay, yes. So we will start the lesson now.
Bill and the Boombox Rocket. Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Bill, who always dreamed to climb to the moon.
So, once upon a time, long back ago, there was a boy. Okay, there was a boy who was living long time ago. A boy was living, and his name was Bill. What was the boy name? The boy name was Bill, who was always dreaming. So he had a dream. He was always dreaming. So you people also dream, no, about one or the other thing, right? So he was always dreaming to fly to the moon. Okay, he wanted to go to the moon. He was always dreaming about that. Okay, going to the moon. He was dreaming about going to the moon.
One summer evening, when Bill was trying to go to sleep, he was bothered by his big brother, Ron.
So one summer evening. So what was the season? It was summer season. So summer season, so summer evening. So when Bill, okay, when he was trying to sleep, okay, he was going to sleep, he was trying to sleep, so he was bothered, he was disturbed. Bothered means what? He was annoyed, he was disturbed by his big brother. So he had a big brother called Ron. So what was the big brother's name? Okay, the Bill's big brother's name was Ron. Okay, he was disturbed. So Bill was disturbed by his big brother Ron.
Ron was playing his new boombox too loud.
So Ron, how he was disturbed, how Bill was disturbed? Bill was disturbed because Ron was playing his new boom box too loudly. Okay, you can see here, this is a tape recorder. Okay, so he was playing, Ron was playing his new boom box too louder. He had kept the noise very loudly. Okay, he had kept the volume very loudly. Because of that, Bill was disturbed.
The only way Bill could go to sleep was to put on his headphones and play a tape.
So the only way, okay, the only way Bill could go to sleep. So he wanted to sleep. So the only way that he could go to sleep was to put on his headphones and play a tape. So you people know what our headphones are, right? Earphones, right? So it is the only way that he wanted to put the headphones and play a tape. Okay, play a recorder. So that was the only way for Bill.
His favorite tape had a song called The Ocean Waves Splashing Up on Shore.
So his favorite tape, his favorite recording. Okay, each and every one we will be having the favorite recordings, no favorite songs. So like that, Bill's favorite recording was the ocean waves, the sound of ocean waves splashing up on shore. Okay, so if you have visited the oceans, if you have visited the seashores, beaches, you can listen the waves coming and hitting the beach. So at that time, the sound is created, right? A beautiful sound is created by that waves. Splashing means coming and touching the shore, coming and hitting the shore. Okay, so that was his favorite tape. That was his favorite recording. Whose favorite? That is Bill's. Okay, Bill's favorite sound was the ocean waves splashing upon the shore.
As he lay there in bed with his eyes closed, pretending he was lying on the beach under a full moon, he began to daydream.
Okay, what happened? He started to play. You can see here, he had put the headphone and the tape was he's playing. So he lay, okay, on the bed. He lay on the bed and he closed his eyes and pretending. Pretending means acting. Okay, pretending means what? Acting. Acting as though he is laying on a bench. Okay, on the bench under a full moon. So full moon is there and under the bench he is laying. He is laying on the bench. Okay, on the sky there is a full moon and he is laying on the bench. He is sleeping on the bench and he began to daydream. He began to daydream means what? Daydream means a state of being lost and thinking about something while fully awake. So it is a state when we are awake. So sometimes it happens to when we are awake, we will dream. Okay, we will think about so many things, right? So that is called as daydream. So he began to daydream. What he was dreaming?
About flying to the moon in a rocket ship.
So what he daydreamed? He dreamed that he was flying to the moon in a rocket space. Okay, in a rocket ship, he was flying to the moon. In the space, he is flying to the moon in the rocket ship. Okay, you can see here. So he is dreaming. Okay, that he is moving in a rocket in the space to the moon. Towards the moon, he is moving. That he dreamed about.
The rocket ship was not very big, just big enough for 2 astronauts.
So this rocket ship. So this is the dream. Okay, what and all we are listening to this, what and all you will listen to the story, no? So this is a dream. Okay, it is a dream of Bill. Okay, so this Bill, he dreamed that rocket, it was not very big. Okay, this rocket was not very big. So only 2 astronauts can sit in that rocket. He dreamed that the rocket was not too big. Only 2 astronauts were able to sit in that rocket. Astronauts means what I said, no? In the beginning itself I said, for whom we call as astronauts. So astronauts means what? A person who travels into space in a spacecraft. Okay, astronaut means a person who travels into the space in a spacecraft, that is in a rocket. One who one who goes to the space in a rocket, for that person we call as astronaut.
Bill and Ron were co-astronauts.
So Bill and Ron were co-astronauts. Okay, co-astronaut means what? One who goes with each other, companions. Okay, they were the co-astronauts.
Bill and the boombox. Bill called out to Ron.
Navigator ready.
So Bill called out to Ron. What he called out? He asked Ron, navigator ready. Navigator ready, he asked.
Ron called back in the headset.
So Ron called back in the headset. So in the headset, Ron called back. What he called back?
Navigator ready. Mission control ready.
So navigator ready, mission control ready. Okay, he said, Ron said that navigator ready, mission control ready, he said.
Bill asked into the headset.
So Bill asked into the headset. Okay, in headset, what he was, he was saying no, into the headset, he asked. What he asked?
Mission control ready. We will begin countdown.
So mission control ready, we will begin countdown. So mission control ready, we will begin the countdown. What do you mean by countdown? So countdown means you people know very well. We'll reverse. We will say 3, 2, 1, go. We will say no. That is called as countdown. Okay. So this mission control ready. We will begin the countdown. Who said this? This was said by Bill. Okay.
10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds.
Their heart began to race.
So like this, the countdown they said that is 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, like this they started the countdown. So as the countdown started, what happened to the Bill's heart? It began to race. Okay, Bill's heart, it begins to race. Begins to race means what? It started to beat louder. Okay, Bill's heart started to begin louder.
2 seconds, 1, blast off.
2 seconds. So at last, Ron, he said that 2 seconds, 1, blast off. Blast off means take off. Okay.
Bill and Ron were thrown back into the sea.
So Bill and Ron were thrown back into their seat. So as it started, as all of a sudden it picked up the speed, the rocket. So they were pushed back to the seat. Okay, the Bill and Ron, they were pushed back to the seat.
They could feel the skin of their faces being stretched back towards their ears.
So they could feel the skin, okay, on their face being stretched back towards their ears. Okay, as we go, as we move fast, know what happens actually? We feel that the skin is going backside. Our face skin is going backside and they are touching our ears. Okay, as we move fast, very fast. Okay, at that time, what we feel that our face skin, what is there now, it is going backside and it is touching our ear. They felt that kind of experience. Okay, they felt like that.
They felt like the weight that bound appeared.
So they felt like they weighed 100 pounds apiece. Okay, how they felt? They felt weightless. Just they felt that they are just 100 pounds. Okay, they are only 100 pounds. They felt very lightweight. So because it is all about the gravitational force. As we go higher and higher, the gravitational level decreases. Right? As we go higher and higher, what happens? The gravitational pull, what is there of the earth, the gravitational pull, it will be decreased. Okay, it will come to 0 as we go higher and higher.
Their rocket ship zoomed up into the sky so fast that everything outside the window was just a blur.
So how fast that their rocket went? Their rocket ship zoomed. Okay, very fast it went. So up into the sky, so fast that everything outside the window. So they are looking outside the window. So everything was looking blur. Nothing was clear. Okay, everything was looking blur. Nothing was clear. Nothing was clear. Okay, so much fast, in such a fast manner, the rocket was going.
Like just a couple of minutes had gone by when everything got really smooth and quiet.
So what they felt, it seemed, okay, it seemed like just a couple of minutes ago itself had gone by when everything got really smooth and quiet. So after a couple of minutes, everything was correct, everything was normal. Okay, in a couple of minutes, everything was normal. So smoothly the rocket was moving in the space.
They were now in outer space.
They were now in the outer space. Okay, they were in the outer space means they were away from the earth. They were in the space. They were in the outer space.
Bill was sitting in the front seat and Ron was in the back.
So Bill was sitting in the front seat and Ron was sitting in the back seat. Okay, in the spaceship, Bill was sitting in the front seat and Ron was sitting in the back seat.
Bill asked Ron.
What does it look like out of the back window?
So Ron asked, was so what does it look like out of the back window? So Ron asked that. So Bill asked Ron, okay, the small brother, he asked Ron. For the bigger brother, he asked, so how it looks in the backside window? So as he was sitting in the backside window, no? So Ron was sitting in the backside window. So Bill asked, so how does it looks from the back of the window? He asked Ron. Bill asked to Ron.
Looks like Earth is just a blue and white ball.
So Ron said that it just looks like Earth is just a blue and white ball, blue and white color ball. Earth is looking like how it is looking? It is looking like a blue and white color ball.
You can see the clouds and oceans, but you cannot see any cities or trees.
So Ron said that you can see the clouds and the oceans. Okay, Ron said that you can see the clouds and the oceans, but you cannot see any cities or trees. Okay, cities and trees are not visible. You can see only oceans and clouds, Ron said.
Now ask Bill, can you see the moon coming up?
So Ron asked Bill. What he asked? He asked, can we see the moon coming up? Is moon near? Is moon coming up? Are we nearing to the moon? He asked.
Yes, I see it.
So Bill said, yes, I can see it. I can see the moon, Bill said.
I think we will be there in about 30 minutes, if my calculations are correct.
So Bill said that in just 30 minutes, we will be there. If my calculation is correct, if my calculation is correct, according to the speed what we are moving, if my calculation is correct, so in 30 minutes we will be in moon, Bill said.
Cool. I think I will listen to some music on my boombox.
So cool, he said. Who said? Ron said, cool. Okay, good. Like that he said. And he said that, I think I will listen. Now I will listen to the music on my boombox. Okay, I will listen to the music in my boombox, he said.
You bought your boombox?
Yes, Ron.
So Bill, he asked, you bought your boombox?
Was obviously annoyed.
So he was annoyed, got angry. Now here also he has bought the boombox. He felt like that. Have bought the boombox here also? Bill asked to Ron.
No, I don't go anywhere without my boombox.
Said Ron.
So Ron said, what Ron said? You know very well that without boombox I will not go anywhere. Who said? Ron said. Ron said that without boombox I will not go anywhere. So he turned on the music. Ron turned on the music. He on the music. He started the music and the boys listened to it. And the boys, that is Bill and Ron, they listened to it. So the time, it quickly passed. Okay, time was passed very quickly.
Mission control to Bill.
Came over the headset.
So mission control to Bill. Okay, came over the headsets. So mission control to Bill. Came over the headset. So he headsets, he heard this mission control to Bill.
Bill here.
So Bill said, Bill here. So it had come from the space control. Okay, space control ship it had come. So mission control to Bill. So Bill said that Bill is here, he said.
You need to prepare for landing in 2 minutes.
So what that mission control said, it said that you have to prepare yourself. Now your rocket will land on the moon. So you have to prepare for that landing. In 2 minutes, it will land on the moon. So you have to prepare for the landing.
Roger, we'll be ready.
So Roger will be ready. Okay, Roger, we will be ready, he said.
Here we go. Hold on. It looks like it might be a rough landing.
So here we go. Here we are going to land. Okay, Bill said, here we are going to land. And also, and again, he said that, hold on. It is going to be a rough landing. Okay, might be a rough landing, it not be a smooth landing. It might be a rough landing, he said.
The rocket ship came in very rough.
So the rocket ship came very rough. So as it was very fast, in a very fast, okay, rocket was moving very fast, so it landed very roughly. Okay, the rocket, it landed very rough. It was very rough.
Now that both Bill and Ron's airbags deployed.
So it was so rough. The landing was so rough that both Bill and Ron's airbags were there. No, they were deployed. Deployed means what? They opened up. Okay, the airbags opened up. For example, so nowadays in cars and all, there will be airbags, right? So when an accident occur, what happened to the airbags? They will be opened, right? They will get opened. In the same manner, in the rocket also, what happened when they landed? So rough, the land was very rough. So that is why the airbags, they deployed, means they got opened.
Finally, they came to rest.
Finally, they came to rest. Means it landed. This rocket, it landed. Finally, it landed.
Bill, are you okay?
So Ron asked Bill, "Are you okay? Are you all right?" He asked.
Yes, I am. But that airbag hit me in the face like a rock hard pillow.
So Bill said that, "Yes, I am okay, but that airbags, what are they? No, they hit to my face just like rock hard pillow. Rock hard means very hard pillow. Okay, it hit my face just like a hard pillow. It hit my face."
I think my nose would be bleeding if I didn't have on this helmet.
So Bill said that if I had not wear this helmet, so my nose would have been bleeded. Okay, from my nose, blood would have come out if I was not wearing this helmet, Bill said.
Let's take a look around and see if the rocket ship is fine.
So let's take a look around and see if the rocket ship is fine. So as it was a rough landing, okay, as it was a rough landing, so Bill, he wanted to check, he wanted to go around and he wanted to check whether the rocket ship is okay or any damage has happened. He wanted to check it.
Good idea.
agreed Ron.
So even Ron agreed, yes, it is a good idea. We have to check, Ron said.
They put on their spacesuits.
So they put on their space suit. So you can see, no, so this is the space suit. Okay, so this is the space suit. So they put on their space suit.
Were big and heavy.
So the suits were big and heavy. They were heavy as well as they were big.
They had built an air conditioner to cool them when the sun was on them and a heater to warm them up when they were in the shade.
So how this space suits were built? So they were built in the air conditioner. Okay, the space suits were built in the air conditioner to cool them when the sun was on them. So when the sun was near, so that space suit will give the cooling. Okay, it will cool them, and a heater to warm them up when they were in the shade. Like when they were in the cool area, when they are in the cool shade, what that space suit will do? It will give the heat. Okay, so when they are near to sun, what it will make? It will cool them. It will make them cool. Okay, the person who is wearing, he will be in a cool condition. And when they are in the shade, means when they are in a cold condition, so it will give warm to them. So in that manner, the space suits were built. Okay.
Since they were in outer space, it would go away the low freezing in the shade and get so hot you could get burned in the sun.
So thus they were in the space, right? So in the space, since they were in the outer space, so it would go away below freezing in the shade. So in the shade, what will happen? They will go below point. The freezing will be minus. Okay, and get so hot you could get burned in the sun. So if you go in a hot, what will happen? They will burn in the sun. Okay, as they were in the outer space. So what will happen there? So when they go into the shade, okay, when they go into the shade, it will be very cold. Okay, it will be in the freezing point. It will be in the minus degree. So when they come out of the shade, what will happen? The sun, it will become very hot and the sun may burn them. So that is why the space suit were constructed like that. The space suits were built like that.
When they stepped outside, they felt like they were floating on air.
So when they stepped outside, when they came out of the rocket, how they were doing? They were floating. They felt that as though they are floating in the air.
They only weighed about 6 pounds each.
So what was the weight? The weight of them was that Bill and Ron was just 6 pounds. Okay, the weight of Bill and Ron was just 6 pounds.
When they walked, it was as if they bounced.
So when they were walking, that is why when they were walking, they were just like bouncing. Bouncing. Do you know the ball and all, when we hit to the ground, it will bounce, no? It will come out. So like that, they were bouncing.
Bounced up about 10 feet for each step.
So for each step, so when they were keeping each step, for each step, they were bouncing nearly 10 feet height. Okay, they were bouncing nearly how much? 10 feet height.
They quickly gathered up some more rocks as souvenirs.
So they quickly gathered, okay, they collected. Gathered means what? They collected some moon rocks. Okay, they were landed on the moon. So they collected some moon rocks as a souvenirs. Souvenirs means what? A thing that is kept as a reminder of a person, place, or an event. So whenever you go to some picnic or some tour trip, you will go to some other place, means you will purchase the things, no, which are famous there, right? So for just for a memory. So for like that, this they collected the moon rock to keep it as a memory.
Then they began to inspect the rocket to make sure it was flyable for the return trip.
So and then they collected the stones and they came near the rocket. So they inspected. Inspected means they looked. Okay, they survived. They looked that rocket and they made them sure. Okay, to make that sure that they can return back. So it is flyable. So they wanted to return back to the earth, no? So they checked the rocket whether it can fly or not, because it had a rough landing, right?
Things did not look good.
So things they did not look good. So something was wrong there. So it was not looking good. Something was wrong there.
The portion of the ship that housed the rocket starter was heavily damaged.
So the portion of the ship, okay, so it was damaged. Okay, the portion of the ship that housed the rocket starter, okay, the starter was heavily damaged. So if starter is damaged, how can they start the rocket? No. So the starter was damaged. It was badly damaged.
The batteries that turned the starter were completely destroyed.
So the batteries which were helping the rocket to start, they were completely destroyed. Okay, the batteries, okay, which were with the help of which they were starting the rocket, it was completely destroyed.
They began to fear that they might be trapped on the moon.
So they started to fear, they got fear that they may stay in the moon itself. Okay, they got the fear that they will stay in the moon itself. There is no possible way to go to home. They felt fear thinking about that.
Not going to do.
Asked Ron.
So Ron asked, now what we will do now? What we are going to do now? Because starter is damaged. What we will do now? Ron asked. He looked scared. So he was very fearful. Okay, Ron got very fear.
I don't know.
Bill answered.
So Bill, he said that even I don't know what to do. Bill answered.
Let's call mission control and see if they have any suggestions.
So let's see. So let me call. Okay, what Bill said? Bill said that let me call mission control and see if they have any suggestion. Let me ask them. I think they will give any suggestion. Maybe I will get some help from them, from the mission control. So let me call them. He said. Who said? Bill said.
He went back inside and tossed the moon rocks aside.
So they went back inside. Okay, they went inside the moon and tossed. Tossed means they kept. Okay, they kept the moon rock aside in one place. They kept the moon rocks and they went inside and they kept the moon rocks in one side.
They called mission controls.
They called mission control. Okay, they connected to the mission control.
We will get back to you.
So the mission control, it said that we will get back to you. Okay, we will get back to you. The answer came from mission control.
We needed time to think.
So even the mission control who were there, no? So in mission control, they also wanted to think about that problem. They had to solve about that problem. After thinking only they can solve, no? So that is why they needed a time to think about that.
We only have enough food and water for one more day.
Ron reminded Bill.
So Ron reminded Bill. What he reminded? He said that we have only limited food and water. Okay, we had limited food and water, only little food and water, only for one day. Okay, only for one day we can eat food and water. He reminded, Ron reminded Bill.
Yeah, we will really need to conserve it.
Yeah, Bill said that, yeah, we really need to conserve. Conserve means what? We have to save it. Okay, Bill said that, yes, we have to save it. Conserve means what? We have to save it.
They nervously sat in their seats and waited for mission control.
So they nervously sat. They were very nervous. They got fear. Okay, they were very frightful. They sat in their seats and they waited to get answer from mission control. So mission control said, no, we will talk to you later. We will be back. So they were waiting to get answer from, they were waiting to get suggestion from mission control and they waited in their seats and they sat in their seats and waited for that.
No reply.
So they didn't got any reply. Okay.
After a while, Bill said,
I've got it. Give your boombox.
So after a while, what happened? After a while, this Bill, he jumped out of his seat. Okay, he jumped and said to Ron, I have got it. Give your boombox. He got some idea. Okay, I have got it means he got some idea. Bill got some idea and he asked Ron to give his boombox. Okay, he asked Ron to give his boombox.
But are you crazy?
What? Are you crazy? Okay, this Ron said that. What? Are you crazy? He asked. Have you gone mad? He asked.
No, just give it to me.
Bill insisted.
So Bill insisted. He asked, he requested. No, you just give to me. He said, just give to me. He just insisted. He asked.
Ron surrendered his boombox.
So Ron surrendered his boombox. Surrendered means he gave. Okay, he gave his boombox.
Bill took it and turned it on real loud and smiled.
So Bill took it and turned it. Okay, he turned that boombox and on real loud and smile. So he turned it on real and loud and smile. Okay, he smiled in a loud manner. He smiled.
Ron looked sad.
So Ron, he looked sad. Okay, he felt sad because Bill took his boombox, no? So boombox was his very favorite. So he felt sad. Ron felt sad.
That Bill was losing his mind.
So Ron, he was knowing that Bill, he was losing his mind. He is becoming somewhat mad. Okay. So he had a fear that he is going to do something with his boombox.
Then Bill turned off the music and placed the boombox upside down.
So what Bill did, he turned off the music. Okay, he off that music, and Bill, he just flipped the boom box upside down. So flip means what? Turning round and round and shaking it. Okay, so he shaked and turned upside and downside. He saw, okay, this Bill, he did with that boom box.
He opened the battery compartment and took out the large battery.
So what he did, he opened that battery compartment where you will put the batteries, no? So that is called as battery compartment. So that battery, where the batteries were there, he opened that battery compartment and he took 8 large batteries were there. Okay, he removed that batteries from that boom box.
I think we can tape these together and make one big battery that will start the rocket.
So what Bill said, he is going to join. Okay, I think I can tape together, means join together that batteries, and I will make one big battery which will start the rocket, he said. Okay, Bill said that I will just tape it. Okay, I will fix this batteries together and then I will make one big battery which will help to start the rocket, Bill said.
Hand me that duct tape from the toolkit. Sounds like a good.
So what Bill said, hand me that Dutch tape from the toolkit. Okay, so Dutch tape means the insulation tape, you know, na? So for electric and all they use, right? To join the electric wires they will use, no? So he asked that, hand me that tape. He said, Bill asked to the Ron.
Good idea to me.
So Ron said that, yes, I think it is a good idea. Okay, he said that, I think it is a good idea.
The father of the battery with 2 rows of board and taped them together in a bundle. He took a piece of tape and connected.
So what Bill did, he lined up batteries in 2 rows of 4. So 8 batteries were there, no? So 8 batteries in 1 row, 4 batteries. That is 2 rows he made and taped them together in a bundle. Okay, he taped them all that 8 batteries together.
Connected a wire to the batteries on each end.
So then what he did, he took a piece of tape and connected the wire to the each end of the batteries. Okay, so negative and positive ends will be there, no, plus and minus ends. So he took the tape and he connected the wire to the batteries on each end of the batteries. So each end, each side, that is plus and minus side, he connected the wire.
He hooked one up to the starter.
So he connected it to the starter. Okay, he hooked one up to the starter, means he connected it to the starter.
The other wire and ran it back up to his seat in the front.
So again what he did, he took the wire, another wire he took. So one wire he connected to the starter and another wire what he did, he took the wire and ran it back to his seat in the front. Okay, he connected it to the back to his seat in the front.
Bill told Ron to get in his seat.
So Bill, he told Ron to get in his seat. Bill told Ron to sit in his seat.
If I touch the wire to the metal on the dashboard, the starter should work and we can blast off.
So what Bill said that, he said that, the Bill said that if I touch the wire, okay, to the metal on the dashboard. So dashboard means what? A panel beneath the front window of a vehicle which the driver can easily reach. Okay, in the driver's side there will be a panel. Okay, all the wires he can get. So that is called as dashboard. So what Bill said, if I touch the wire to the dashboard, the metal which is there in the dashboard, if I connect that metal to the dashboard, so it will start working. It should work and we can blast off. We can blast off means what? We will move, he said.
Ron hoped that he was right.
So Ron hoped that it was right. Okay, Ron also agreed and said that it was right.
Are you ready?
Bill asked Ron.
So Bill, so Ron hoped that it was right? And then, are you ready? So when Ron also agreed for that, so he also hoped that it was right. What Bill was doing was right. So at that time, Bill asked to Ron. What he asked? Are you ready? He asked. And Ron, without waiting for an answer, Bill asked Ron without waiting for an answer.
Here goes.
So here goes. So he did not wait for the answer of Ron and he said that, oh, so here goes. He said and he touched that wire to the metal. Okay, so he touched that wire to the metal.
As he touched the wire to the dashboard, they could hear the roar of the rocket.
So as Bill, he touched that wire to the dashboard. He connected that wire to the dashboard. So what happened? They heard the roar of the rocket. That is, the rocket started. Okay, the roar means the sound. Okay, the start sound. The rocket, it roared, means the start sound of the rocket. The rocket started.
Before they knew it, he was zooming back to space toward Earth.
So before they knew it, they were zooming back through space towards Earth. So before they came to know that they are zooming back, means they are moving back towards, they were moving fast towards the Earth. What happened?
Yippee! How they both yelled.
So Yippee, they said that Yippee, they yelled, they shouted louder. Yelled means what? They shouted louder in excitement because they were returning back to the earth. So Yippee, they said, they shouted louder in a happy mood, they said.
Just then, Bill pulled the headphones off his head and told him to go off the street.
So at that time, what happened? Just then, when they said that Yippee, we are moving, right? They were shouting. So in the dream, so at that time, Bill's mother came and what she did? She removed that headphone, what he was wearing now on his head. So he removed that headphone off his head. Okay, and told Bill to go to sleep. So this was all the dream. Okay, whatever we saw now in the space, what and all happened, they went inside the rocket, they went into the space and what and all happened no, so it was all the dream saw by the Bill. Okay, it was the dream saw by Bill. Okay, dreamed by Bill. So mother came and removed the headphone and told Bill to go to sleep.
It was easy for Bill to get back to sleep because he hoped he could pick up his rocket ship right where he left off.
So it was easy for Bill to go to sleep. Okay, he was daydreaming. He was awake itself and dreaming all this, and it was easy. It was very easy for Bill to go to sleep. Why? Because he thought that he thought that if I go to sleep again, I can pick up. Means the dream will start where I had left. Okay, Bill thought that the dream will continue from where I had left off. Okay, so this was the dream. So Bill thought that and he went to sleep. So see how beautiful dream he lived. No, so daydreamer. So he is a daydreamer. So how beautifully he saw a dream going to the space. Right? He collected that stones, and later they faced the problem, and how he used his idea, his intelligence, and again how they started to come back to the earth. So right, so it was such a beautiful thing. I think you people also have dreamed lot of things, right? Yeah, about so many things, as though just going to the forest and facing the tiger, like that you might have dreamed. And also maybe you people have dreamed that you have got a new brand bike like Hayabusa, Ducati and all, and you are racing with your friends, right? So many dreams are there where we sit and daydream. That is, we being awake only, we will dream, right? There is no person that who has not dreamt like that. So each and every person in this world, he will daydream, right? So here, Bill, he is the one of the boy who have saw his daydream, and it is a very beautiful dream. So with the hope of I'm going to end this class. I hope you people have enjoyed this class and enjoyed the lesson, right? Okay, students, then bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Next class, I will come with the new lesson. Okay, then bye.